Don't be afraid to eat chicken if you bring it home. Try this once if you are bored of eating normal chicken every day. Then definitely try this once. You will like it very much. I guarantee it. Let's take a look at a wonderful chicken curry. A dish that everyone will love and enjoy. Chicken garlic onions curry offers a delightful combination of flavors and potential health benefits from its key ingredients. Chicken. Excellent source of lean protein. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth and overall body functions. It can also contribute to satiety, aiding in weight management. Rich in essential nutrients. Chicken provides important vitamins and minerals like B vitamins, B6, B12, iron, zinc, phosphorus, and selenium, which play vital roles in energy production, brain function, immune support, and bone health. May support heart health. As a lean protein source, chicken, when consumed as part of a balanced diet, can be beneficial for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. May improve mood. Chicken contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with positive mood. Contributes to bone strength. The protein content in chicken supports bone mineral density, potentially reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Garlic boosts immune system. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to enhance the immune system and help the body fight off infections. Improves cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that garlic can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic possesses anti-inflammatory effects that may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. May improve digestion. Garlic can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to improved digestion and gut health. Rich in minerals. Garlic provides essential minerals such as phosphorus, calcium, and iron, as well as trace minerals like iodine, sulfur, and chlorine. Onions. Good source of antioxidants. Onions are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against cell damage from free radicals and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. May have anti-inflammatory effects. Onions contain compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. May support heart health. Some studies suggest that onions can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure levels. May improve bone health. Onions contain compounds that may contribute to increased bone density. Provides dietary fiber. Onions contribute to dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Onions contain vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins, as well as minerals like potassium. Overall benefits. When combined in a curry, these ingredients create a flavorful and nutritious dish that can offer a range of health benefits. A balanced meal. The curry provides a good balance of protein, carbohydrates from onions and potentially served with rice or bread, and fats depending on the cooking method. Rich in flavor and aroma. Garlic and onions provide a distinct and savory flavor base to the curry, making it a palatable and satisfying meal. Versatile and customizable. You can often add other vegetables to chicken garlic onions curry, further enhancing its nutritional value with added vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It's important to note that the specific nutritional content and health benefits can vary depending on the recipe, cooking methods, for example, amount of oil used, and portion sizes. You can change the spices used in this according to your taste. Thank you for watching the full video.